Welcome to the Department of Physics. Physics is the study of how the universe works, from the tiniest particles to the vastness of space. It helps us answer profound questions about the nature of reality. We offer three minor courses: optical physics, material physics, and semiconductor physics, helping you to build strong analytical, logical, and problem solving skills and opens doors to many career options. Minor 1: Optical Physics. Ever wondered how rainbows form, why the sky turns blue, or how lasers can perform delicate surgeries? Dive into the world of optical physics and uncover the secrets of light. The paper for the first semester is Electricity and Magnetism, which will give the students a solid foundation in the principles of electricity and magnetism. The second semester is devoted to the study of light and its properties. In the third semester, the focus shifts to atomic levels with the paper Atomic Structure and Spectroscopy. Minor 2: Materials Physics. Ever wondered how the materials around you, from the smartphone in your pocket to the aircraft soaring above, are engineered to withstand extreme conditions? Materials physics reveals the secrets behind these extraordinary capabilities. The paper for the first semester is Properties of Matter and Thermodynamics, which will take the students to explore the fundamental principles that govern the behavior of solids, liquids, and gases, revealing how energy flows, forces interact, and materials respond to changing conditions. The paper for the second semester is Modern Physics and Nuclear Physics. Delve into the mysteries of the universe, exploring the nature of atoms, subatomic particles, and the fundamental forces that shape the universe. In the third semester, the focus is on solid-state physics and spectroscopy. This paper unravels the intricate properties of materials at the atomic level, revealing how electrons, crystals, and light interact to drive innovations in electronics and other cutting-edge technologies. Minor 3: Semiconductor Physics. In India, the scope of studying semiconductor physics is rapidly expanding, with growing opportunities in sectors like electronics manufacturing, telecommunications, and research and development. With initiatives like Make in India and the establishment of semiconductor fabrication plants, professionals can pursue careers in chip design, nanotechnology, material science, and semiconductor device manufacturing. The papers for the first, second, and third semesters are, respectively, Semiconductor Physics and Electronics, Fundamentals of Optics, and Electronic Communication. The teaching and evaluation include classroom lectures, laboratory experiments, use of open source softwares, tests, quizzes, and course assignments. There will be 3 lectures per week and 2 practical hours per week. These remarkable individuals, though not all primarily known as physicists, exemplify how a foundation in physics nurtures critical thinking, problem solving, and innovative approaches. Dr. Francis Crick, with his deep understanding of molecular biology and physics, played a pivotal role in the discovery of the DNA double helix. Dr. Verghese Kurin, with a scientific mindset and lateral thinking, revolutionized India's dairy industry through the White Revolution. Mr. Elon Musk, leveraging principles of physics and engineering, has led groundbreaking advancements in space exploration, electric vehicles, and renewable energy. Studying physics cultivates curiosity and equips individuals with analytical skills, opening limitless possibilities to solve real-world problems and drive innovation across diverse fields. Why not start your journey in physics today?